Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of DaVinci Resolve for beginners. And in this video also we will be try creating customized effects with the use of DaVinci Resolve. As in the previous video we tried to create a glitch effect for the text we added onto the timeline. Now in this video we are going to try to create a text over video footage on the timeline. So without wasting much time, let us go and start learning how we can create a text over video clip. Now as you can see that I have already launched the software interface of DaVinci Resolve. Now to start creating your text over video, first of all what we are going to need is we need to bring and select the video track on which you want to create your text over video. Now, for example, I want to use this video and use the mouse to drag it on the timeline, and there you can see I have placed it on the timeline. And as there is no audio in the video clip, even though there is the audio track but there is no audio, I'm going to go ahead and first of all right click on them and I will unlink the clips. Now after I have unlinked them, you can see I can choose them individually. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the or cut the audio track which I wouldn't be needing. So as I can go ahead and right click on the audio track and I can choose the option cut. Now as soon as I've chosen the option of cut, you can see the audio track is no more in the timeline. Now we are going to go ahead and try adding the text on which we are going to create the text over video. Now to do that, what we're going to do first is take the first video clip and create a second video track. Now after we have created the second video track, we are going to go ahead and go to the effects option which you can find in the top left corner on the toolbar. As you click on the effects option, you have various options and effects to choose from. So we're going to go to the toolbox, and under the toolbox we are going to select the options of titles. As you can see that I have chosen the option of titles. There are 6 titles or 7 titles which just came up, so we're going to go ahead and choose the text plus option. And remember, to create any kind of glitch effect or any typewriting effect which you want to use, you have to always use the text plus option. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this and bring it on the video track 1. And you can see that I have brought it on the video track 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the endpoint and I'm going to increase the length and the duration of the text which I want. Now after I have increased the duration of the text using the end select tool, I'm going to go ahead and first of all disable the video track. Now you can see that I can see the custom title option and the video track or the text track that I had added onto my timeline. So now is the time I am going to go ahead and start editing and adding some text onto the text plus option. So I'm going to add, for example, Canada, right? I have written the name Canada and I'm going to choose maybe another font for this, maybe something bold. I want to use this particular font. Now after the font, I'm going to choose the size of it and I'm going to increase the size of the font. There you can see I've increased the size of the font there, and I want to change where I want the video or my text to be, on the top or the left or in the middle. And also I have the option to to fit it or adjust it vertically. And there you can see I have used the H anchor or the horizontal anchor to move my sentence or the word. Now after I have done it, what I'm going to go is go ahead in the settings option, and I'm going to go to the composite mode. You can see I have selected this text here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the settings option, and I'm going to go to the composite option. Now in the composite option, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click here, and I'm going to scroll down and click on alpha. Right, I had chosen the composite mode of alpha for the text. Now I'm going to go ahead and disable the video track, and as I've clicked on here, once again we are going to go to the composite option on the video, and we are going to go and apply the foreground option. Now you can see that I had created the text over video effect. Now as soon as I play this video, you can see that the video is playing, but it is playing underneath the text. You can see there it is running. There you go. This is how simple it is to create a text over video effect with the help of DaVinci Resolve. Now once again, if you are done creating your video, you can just go ahead and click on the deliver option, and you can start extracting your project. So I hope you guys have learned and understood how easily we can create the effect of text over video. Now I hope you liked this video, and I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time.